Wait, I guess it's where you're going.
Oh, I think I need to put another one in.
Yeah, maybe it's just ready for you.
Oh, now the bonus is up. That's cool. Oh, look. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Yep.
There we go. Perfect. Just like that.
Kind of dark.
Nice. Doing good, doing good. Oh, no.
Oh, maybe. No.
Oh, you were so funny. You're joking.
Yeah, at times.
You should be a comedian, you know that?
I want to be one. Only no one in your videos will let me subscribe to me even.
Okay, ready?
I can't get my steps up.
Ready?
Oh, yeah!
140 tickets, baby. Jackpot. Nice. Look
They're
at
all
that.
flopping out.
Okay.
First try, too.
Second try.
Technically, yeah. Well, first time with the spin.
You should try it again.
You're not gonna get the spin again.
I only paid 50 cents too, so.
Looking good.
Go, looking good, perfect. Perfecto, Patronum. Good. Okay, this is the harder part just because. Oh, yes.
Alright, there we go.
Alright, here we go, here we go.
Oh, wow. Again.
2 in a row. This is good.
We're gonna be here for quite a while.
Oh my gosh. No.
Yes.
Stop it.
Why
are you wanting me to lose, Nolan?
Why wouldn't I? But the audience will agree with me. There you go.
Here we go.
130, 130.
Yeah.
There you go.
Let's go, baby.
3.
Nice.
Oh, the tickets coming out again?
I'm just gonna keep doing this because why not?
Yeah, you're gonna lose. You're gonna become homeless because of this game.
I know, right? Oh my god, no!
Oh, yes!
Oh,
Yes!
oh yeah! No!
Come on, no!
No!
Oh, what?
I'm so confused. Oh, really?
Yes!
Why do you...
Oh wow, that was a close one. Hey, you said I should become a comedian, so I'm a comedian. I can make fun of anything and everything I want to.
Okay, ready?
Like, I have 0 doubt that you're gonna get another bonus. Did you too soon?
130. This is good. We'll do one more time though. We'll play a different game after.
Alright. Let's fill out all those tickets down there.
Nice. Nice. Oh, barely. Alright, here we go. Ready?
For 115.
Oh! I stopped too late.
Yeah.
Alright, well, that's it.
All those 20 tickets out. That's a lot of tickets down there.
Okay.
Nice bundle right there.